Koswana hohoro wansa. Sede ya kyerɛ dada no koswana ye no sa. Ade bia ya kyerɛ ye no yedni so. That's all. What do wansa keka wanim ne ade ususo doorknobs, laptops, ne cell phones and all those things. Make sure sir beba modia hohoro wansa ana obe so hand sanitizer na wetimi dia ye. Ana sir esi bibi de rubbing alcohol ebi benwa betimi de aye eno papa bi busam say baby omo akura se hodo sa ye hani tiger na ye ka no hani tiger ne bi ni ho but this okwafum na ono na patasi na emu o kakra no betimi de ahohoro ne nsa na say menye adwuma no gucci da omo betimi a kire ebi no pe omo nsa we te se me mejai Asen no na mkeka mienu bi. Mkeka wonsa. Don sa toto nkrofo ko mu na de jai. Enchia obi a. Suku na ye chenta de. Ohwa na we ahye we de na we ahye we de. Ya loki kura se suku ni ho sesei. But de bidom so ye wo fie jai. Na pe eye o mask ne bi na hye and the obowa eguanuam wunhinsia ewanuam na etimi aboa ye gina Sankratwe Carex in collaboration with the Ghana Medical Association. Carex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Deloitte yogurt more. I say more. I need more. A life soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a life full experience. And Hollard Life Assurance, we've got you covered. 1 minute so asene this COVID-19. Nkrofo yare do. And Hong Kong on the brewo. Tishan and Society General, the future is you. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wire Safi. Latest form, your partner for life, and Irata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Irata Motors. Eti, I go shower. Papers in the way. Abba. The graphic is there.
And the graphic essay, and ye mua ye tia nipa womo yahusa womo ya dieno, COVID-19 no. And no can one nama a juma, a pomudia juma ye 4 year no womo bre.
And no papa bibusa me question, me mimbusa on so. A ye adiano a virus in a children and mau yari and I say yari.
Eba ene ya kasa yese COVID-19 ne mwawa. Eba we say on the area na se ne area ne mwa ni nyino mudin ba ko. Malaria parasite eba mu ana ma malaria. We say inti COVID-19 mwa ne ba mu ana ma COVID-19. It say sa na afa no. Iti area no ene de ba ye nyina omu nyina omdin ba COVID-19 na sana no na ye doctor fo ni bi se wo mu dwa efunu no woni a wenya yare ni bia wu no na o mo hunu de kodi a se yare no aboa no ba wu mu a attack na enam soma wu no enti na o mo se so mu wie a eno bebo mu nti bi o mu wie na o mu timi conclude o mo nya funu ba ko e bi o mu timi nya funu ba mienu miensa bi ka ho a ye betimi aka bo mo hu adekode apoten eku wo mo no am ye gina eno so na ye de amani din besi sabre ka say de Dr. Da Costa Abuaji, Director of Ghana Health Promotion Division, Ghana Health Service, and worker say stigmatization no any idea hu pa ewo yare no okon yeswai ewo sunumu enti woni eboa me yeboda wuro nyina kan hia na wo mu de tudwa kon be fa so a wo betimi ama amanfo agya nyiyimu no na we no sa yare we ya abai ne de no stigmatization na say you suro enihu suro kakra ewo mti ye di nkomo na ne ya hwe ni yese ya te se yesi nipa no home kra keke gu so atimenya bi ti obi ti so obi anya bi pen a na se nipa no ehwe ne hu ya hwe ye ne de no ba no na de ya te ne se nipa no ho to no te se wo adada na o te wo na won fa anye wo won fa nsa wo enti se obi nya bi na ya hwe na ma ne wato no nko ade a na ozoso wagina tum se de be ya obi so foforo nya onka se me na me nko yi manim na ochina e de abe mi din eno na ehu no enti na ne no so na mu no ode sane enti obi nya bi wie a enye hu ena anam na wa show nose mask na we use sanitizer ahoro wonsa na se yesi nipa sumesi obo wani ade a wonyenyi yimu ntia ne sanse onim se wabo ho ban ewom se ho ban bo hia de ne nso ma yenyenyi yimu entia ye nuanom enu nie na Democrat graphic echi ha ena wode abase sesei no kame kwa ese nipa ne bia so den wo kan wo se ye enti wo se wo pe wo bete eti pop skinny ya di bia ko wo kumase yesi ye hia na se nose mask no wo nhye bi e wasantema mu a Rexec aye Ashanti Regional Security Council wo makwa kwaje atumu se ene ese kuromu a na ye twa baby ama wo be prama sisi akoa anasa adra na ye twa ama wo kurom gotamu anu akwa yi eno no ebe ma wani abafie wani beda ho se de be ya afutu a ede ma no beje atum nti wo hwe de bokrata ye chi a police ni bi ene chi wo bi a wonam kurom a won hye nose mask krachi ade o se ye himbotom eno wo chi ni gina ho bo no po na chi ti sa akwada ye bo ne diapers ena wo chichire ma no no se bo ne fa ko ne nyina mo ye ho ban na police ni ne de no kama pa de ya ma posifo ni bi eno wa bo ne de eno ene ensema de bokrata de aba se yare ye ba ye ama ne ma bebre ena akam ebi ti se nka abete ne ye boda rosu ye kwa akotwe moja ama ese yesi nipadom enhia enti amma sane ma ni nyina ye ntante sebi ema so gusu a wakwa awo so a obehia moja enkwanhia gusu si obehia moja nipa ne bi yare abo wo mo ho anu omanya moja wie no obehia moja ensu sesi a ye ntwi moja men akwakwa ebibia wo ho enti sakomo no ICGC wo mo ka bomu akwakotwe emoja edi ama eye Accra mpotemu ha so de be ya blood bank ebenye biegu ho na so obi ekwa hohia mu a wo motimi edi abono graphic echi ene de wode bae no ma me nko be page o page 13 eno se enche bia Ghana ye benya nhyehyeye a wo mode agu akwan mu na ebeboa ama se obi ekwakwa ne registration wo Registrar General Department a niema beko hariso ama no sanse ye benya website ye dia na nipa no kɔ hɔ no betimi aye ne bibia eno ene ensema democracy de aba Unipass makes progress Unipass ho nsemi aha ba bia kama ho asem so mo de Unipass ababa to ha fe de ba bia mo de aduru no eze ho ahia mo ma ba bia nka aha pe ene ye kama ne nkwada ho asem mo de Unipass na ato aye wo ha ensa ehye kire de mbe edu eno ye nsam o de bokrata graphic wode aba ye hwe chronicle de bokrata no mu eno no se naked robbery and ekoso ewo health sector ni mu ene yesi woni a ewo say anka wo munya emfaso bi no atwa akwakodi nchen ama nkrofo bi na edie health minister Ira Ajimamanu foni ene da hanom ena wasira Ajimamanu ena wode atodwa se frontline health workers ye wo magana mu hanom no ye be ma wo mo allowance 50% bi e de aka wo mo katua na wo mo gye no ho wo bosome makomako be se enan bi a na wo mo eku wo mo ho pa ye March April May ena fa June na eno ena wode atodwa se edin a e wo se de kɔ emi ehunu se nipa so mesi anaso obenten wono ena wogina kono ya wo hwe yare no yayi sankrofo na wo mo ye adwuma na sinchen ena mpanimfo no di wo mu din kɔ enti akwada na wono wote hɔ no obi ba ono na ebedi kan hwe ne temperature wo behwe ne bibia ansa na wahu se nipa so mesi aso wo bi ansa na dina kwa kɔma mpanimfo na obedu hɔ no na ono mpodi wo nim dada enti obehwe ne ho yie no nkwada na yayi wo mu din afirim ena mpanimfo no di wo mu din kɔ enti enam so ama nkwada no bi big
agenda na issue no be PA say the accountant then confirm but unim when we Ghana Health Service for details on the amount the 28 people now omasho omunkwa was
Yari
Moyari no.
Kifo. But then you can yari mo kan mo yari no anasa all the ownership obam. Me possessive now be on my brabo. Me possessive
the Odi kind was 61 years or a bema. I say baby the pulmonary disease. I know Washanti region any kuno. Your tossum you know yakwada na wenyam fie nkuno.
9 years.
9 years. On the woman ma de kuna na ka ho. So ni yade bia dada bia. Ono so nkran ha no wo. The otoso miensa e was 75 years. No ye bema ono diabetes won ho, hypertension won ho, and an prostate and so enlargement ni bi won ho. Ono so won kran ha. The otoso na e 41 years. Ono so na diabetes na hypertension won ho or won kran. The otoso num ye 71 years or your bar or hypertension or one crying. The otoso nsin female 55 years or your bema on diabetes na hypertension na one hono so cry higher no wo. And a fade the otoso nson 54 years congestive cardiac failure. Nti no na kuma ni je mu na say dia na ono nso hypertension ono so greater cry. The otoso and watch over 35 years or your bar or chronic liver disease. And also one crying. The otoso and kono was 67 years or your bema or cerebrovascular accident and a hypertension. And also one crying higher. The otoso edu or 58 years or your bema and also hypertension and diabetes. I won't crying higher. The otoso do baako was 62 years or ye bema or also diabetes any hypertension ya na one ho di kum no or one crying. The otoso do me no when you're 32 years or no de na oni yade bia won ho ya tro nan nan no minim said the children timpani for ba match the yemu no so one crying. The otoso do me and some 55 years or ye bema hypertension ne kum no. And then the underlying factor no and the otoso edu and 9 but what the maminko ahomana so na fe yane Dr. Ahomana articles adom dom ye no saba yane no betwaso enti the otoso edu num ono nso ye bema dabi na meduru dumiensa ono so bema hypertension Ashanti region. The otoso do na was 76 years. Ono so hypertension and acute kidney injury. Ono so Ashanti region. Dr. Patrick Kumabwaji, Director General Ghana Health Service. Doc, what am I telling Kamache? Na bibia eboko de.
Bibia eboko.
Ya wunche chemu a mode abafa wonoma coronavirus yetimi age won kwa everyone nsem no ebi wo ho a ya bobo yare nya menim so betimi nya botre na adage da wetimi explaining yi a train
me said omamu so ma recover no beboa
but you start if you won free mu no na ya ba recovery no so
okay
Eti who say edin wo ho ebinu wo ho we na underlining factors but wo sha hypertension diabetes hypertension and diabetes na do so power reason bi wo ho
friend diabetes no yare bi a yewa one of the things say reduce immunity so and now so immunity conformity no mara Arabia yewa etimi kesi nemum sena ya kan kwan say comorbidity na let say I have welcome say one share no so ho asema kan at the same time the prevent say to go susceptible to the death. And looking at him, say, Nipa better, move back 3 pen, any associated comorbidity. Other hypertension, diabetes, since hypertension so affects your heart. And of course, anything that affects the heart also has a one also consequences. They do asthmatics. Respiratory disease also an asthma. I can't, a bit me. I can say, I don't know on this phone. A bit me, I'm a washroom. So, name of Corona become a GD say, a mouth become more susceptible, say, a bit me, I'm a washroom. And only idea, near to see, Nippon, that condition.
Sir, what a yendi pa, Udikain, Dog and Patrotamenka? Very good. What shendi pa, Udikain? Ono ye pulmonary disease being the autosum you know yakwada war and film on the one who had the kuno. The autosum and diabetes womb, hypertension womb, the autosum 9 hypertension, diabetes, the autosum enum hypertension, the autosum sia the same, the autosum so hypertension count, the autosum and kuno hypertension count, edu a count. Dubakon account, do miensa account, do 9 account, and yabiano, one more hypertension, no, one more bar. Mo shed say bia wonindra offer or fair no kind no one I say mo corona nkwa.
Oh there be Uba hospital chichu in its own entirety. And in fact on my more area so only symptoms no ye mount na we do ko hospital because them say we are susceptible. And you chichu the total treatment. We have physicians there, we have emergency doctors there who are treating everything from your hypertension, your diabetes to everything, including the gonadoko and aqua there. I do have a symptoms in your managing. In managing, Ubu Honumana, a fan say, the area no, and yet controlled, maybe feeling hypertension in your controlled. Zona Michelle. If you don't cry, and they do mobile. Actually, I tell them say, "Oh, your corona account." So I'm saying that's what we are dealing with. If sharing in share and I'm sure say when you abuse as well. You mean the hypertension, diabetes, or more when you're going to think of what you say. Treatment demand a comprehensive. The BPR, your lab test, will be PR to say Ubia or Yanka. Say they be a who be a now we are malaria. We are who will be visiting someone.
Sir, what share a UNICEF for prediction be our modia bar? Almost someone predicted 6,000. Nkwadama kuma ko 6,000 be free mu e wo yare o because I say yen sheda yen ni nkwada ho attention in a company force so menim plan a Ghana Health Service wo say yen nya nkwada bebre wo Ghana ha yare bi aye won attention no anya bi do we have any plan say be protecting nkwada no.
And that's a idea. A firm business continuity plan. Your friend Diago cry. And you making sure say region be a more COVID team are more share. So there will be a benya coin. I am a juma. Na services no and yes the supply side just an area a fairly biggest demand side. And Qualano, you show me growth promotion, you show me the when you are that day. Obu ho class and Obu ho class over hospital and Zibianka growth promotion way in there that does Omumba and they come out with a new protocol. You show me you call me ho, you show me small groups that you show me Sebaya, Sadian so Ember, immunization, you know, first quarter about from Kakra to see a approach. You call me ho committee and to go show me small groups with me immunizing Coloria. Yes, I need money in an idea. And the tradition said, and yes, the Koran, the documents are name and Modi the same immunization, no me getting Kitina, ABM, a young from Uncle Hospital, no, but I'm saying, no, there was a hospital, no, it's a safe place. Yeah, a moment did by me, charging. You must change, so one buy with normal cases, no. Omunya yarifophobia enka winti besrobia say yen hwe na ya ma corona no amfa other diseases enkum nipa nemum obi anya confidence say hospital no yen nipa ya mo ho yen pese be yare intinya de betesi any bad environment ebe ma obi ayare yen so empe se be nya coronavirus bi inti obi a yare bia no omra so hypertension or diabetes so whatever it's me I show
Pacho recovery no about boom pow
former boy of course I boy I mean so Captain Smart who said who started higher way no life course no fan say we there 2-3 weeks no over negative so very negative things
but doc
me say we say yo me say nkunwa I check rabe na ohwe mi nsa the body will convert back to negative so na yen say enyo bia Ghana dey say we negative back so be san back aka ho bio and sana e declare say we cured so now say na ochidi mu unya be 1,500 cases na na ba no 3 weeks time Mr. Sen never convert.
Yes, I be konanim.
Enti newo kwa no. Oko isolation center ba kwa PCC 3 days ago nipa 187 and they converted double negative. So na me no. Oko Ashanti region 1 day 45. So because first no 1 2 3 and on see a numbers not also no. Including reporting of recoveries because I don't. Now when you know say there are 5,700 now was still now. We and also we know. Maybe I'm sure that we only mobile when you are in one ton. Something.
Yes, doc.
Hello. And they say stage the headroom. The numbers now back as recoveries now. I bet also because numbers not also. A room maybe a sobetia, positive sensitive, so to be a obey Arabiano, obey convert, empty, and only idea, bar, Yakoi, Yomo, if you see more results, and I say no, the first no lab, no, which home. You see, obey 9 labs across the country. In the morning, I come, you know, on my test now, some results, my baby, I met my idea. Into the ancient say now more of the negatives are going to come. Okay. Into yes, me say, the man can see me say 130. Then Tuesday me say 130 are waiting for their second test. And then to say you will be a second test results. So that's it.
Matthias. Good. Na Pacho. One want to upon it say some kwada wom doso. Sanity.
Oh, and Kuala Crown, dear, a crabby name, your share of grab now the age brackets no, and Kuala will make a crabby and anything yellow crab.
Now, text in Kuala say, Chew, say, Kuala son a resource in the bano. A check. Meaning, say that results in a bantam. What you say? That results in a bantam. Say they're bantam.
And we say morning, first year 2 laps. And then obey a view if you come say a crown when ever 4. If you are tamale, if you are takrade, yeah. So, phone tamale, tamale, ain't she? And then results no bantam. In terms of waiting for their second negatives, no, they are able to do it quickly and get their results. And no one, also, who say, Yaria no nipa 5,700, no we. Into so to the place what all. So, I think it need follow up before our health of Sanka. Think you follow me a number of recoveries program. I can better also change. Yeah, alcohol. Who have now for who first negative no. Also, me want to move beyond how much reviews. To your crown your test. And can numbers now, but the dose.
Okay. Doc, my men was BBC Chairman Safro.
Captain Milati.
Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje, Director General, Ghana Health Service. But when I managed to feminine Dr. Amiyao Emmanuel Pediatrician. Na yenene mbo uncommon for comorbidities aba or COVID-19. Doc, what do you mean come at here?
Yeah, more.
Na BBI boko there.
Yakofado.
Wadama, what share COVID-19 one Ghana Health Service the abeto dwa say yare no ka ho na ma mawu na hypertension diabetes link Bernard hypertension and diabetes and COVID-19 wa asa wo wanu bia na de wo koi
yo me da se na mamentia atiefo metia mo nyina so ne atia ne se obi wo yade bia te so hypertension diabetes hypercholesterolemia ne friend cholesterol no arthritis stroke cancer obesity sickle cell sa yade we nyina no yede nipa no de na hoɔden a yɛde kɔ yadeɛ ɛna ɛne yadeɛ no edi asi wɔho nti sɛ obi ɛna sɛ obi na COVID-19 ya a viral infection as at now you need a drop protein yɛde sa yadeɛ adura yɛde nima ɔmo anya bi nyina yɛdura yɛde soso sano afina mpanifo gusu anase doctors, pharmacists, your scientists go so our pay a group. It is a be a idea will be a ordinary hoarding. I had to quite the answer. Now already says, more than a quart yard of fufra, not just I had yama, Nipako. And no, say, or Tatra one answer one share new one sem temp. And I say, you near one who year, if it yama Nipako, I feel them quan, intentem, and I'm said. Ahoɔden a ɔde kɔkɔ COVID-19 musa enti ma COVID-19 ya ahoɔden tumpro ne deɛ so
wan kono ntama yade soso na yɛse obi wɔ hɔ kora ebetimi ahyɛ wo ho obi wɔ hɔ a on show any of the symptoms ɔmbɔ wa ntataso on winsi ne ho nyɛ hye ne ti nyɛ ne ya bibie ne hɔ on demonstrate any of the symptoms. Say obitisa na say bia or any of these underlying health factors CBA nipa be den obebo no ho bai doc
yo se o hwe ayi mpembebre omo wo bia omo show bibia no eye omo ahoden omo de koyade no wo soro no omo a se bi omo ni comorbidities CBA ye kasa omo ho den mpembebre omo no ye mabu oni yade bia na didie mu ye kama ne ho den enti na ho den a wode ko yade no e wo so enti se wonya COVID-19 bia enya dia ehwo ntema na se etumi de ne to ho eno etumi wo hwe COVID-19 bi wo ho kora eye very mild eye te se wonya common cold na wonya kata eno ne nam ho ba eno no problem so betumi dia sign obi Yanam so no betumi dia san obi ahwe kura na bia ne nua pani bia na ne na ne ma no bi wo hypertension or diabetes ebi o cancer kura na odi akosarentina sei you will start prevention protocols I wo ho and say obo ho nsa all the time and in between o kan bibia sesika kura na obi dia ma wo bo akiri kura ho nsa na after that issue ni ho kura obetumi I use hand sanitizers. And so we will shaking hands. And I say, which will be one in some, and I will have you. You want to win a suban. What shall be a check? What shall make to be a check? What shall sorry, any be a check? What one Sabatuni say, yes, I am a winner. So because a bit yama or more will be an more dinner. One am honor winning no. Over to me at the Adena Mount. So we go one now who's here. Yes, sneezy paper, tissue paper. From there now they are top bottom. And I say, what call a betia? One summer, Wabatana, no one see a guau, when some so shatter, one shatter is better than we done. Ube, when see a good from Mamu. What's the first? In Kobe, good luck. When see a say, Sika. But see, we say, when see a big so be better home. Now, sir, Nipa one here, said, well, your dear be a bit warmer, will be any of you. And first one said, wow, kaka when him once a Nipata, so what shall my shady report me, we say, Nipata didn't such a session of him over an hour, and no, really, because it be a Hoyan Hine, nipa ta di nsa pesa nani and at times your tad men sa hye ye no service will be a kind book and as your kind sika be na ordinance aka ne ketrema so we nyina betumi ama yenya yade bi and another thing so e betumi aya boy ho ban say ba bi nipa wo bebre hwese wo ko udokwa you have to do this social distancing.
Okay, doc. Yeah, say. Some will hypertension, meaning some will be, say, be obese, no will be a. And now, obi or diabetes, and now, obi asthmatic patient, obi or any liver or kidney problem, be a. Sancroft way, then a 1 year. Because I see about Tom Kura said, when I was sopano, obese for obesity for no, so accounting. One more Tessano, 1 year day, Bimbo Bay, then a 1 year.
So, Osha, first one I'm making strict prevention protocols. Nema yakin, I say, Nipa, we answer what P. Abontina Brow more mask. Osha mask here, a bit yet than a body. I say, because I'll be sana, I think we'll be here free bottom at your into mask, so will be able. That is one. And now, also, there will be a friend appointment with the hospital. Sanko we a young Kofua, or be over hypertension, or diabetes, Pendebri, or Moko Hospital, no more quiet more appointments. So, or forward group, a D, Bosumini and San. And I say, come, I think I just did Bosumini for home better. Some appointments in they should keep great. But in between the appointment, so you say, problem be a home. No yan basa one 3 months 3 months and 6 months no ontumrika enko another thing so we need sankofo from time to time you refer omoko dietitian and nutritionist so enti omo dietitian and nutritionist beka no omu so eye and if you are exercise you good for everybody so you can't say exercise depend the brain nipa ntiase exercise ntiase kotumrika Gigi and that's one who say football abi wo only exercise between ya 90 so 90 for 10 minutes 30 minutes it can be good exercise for these people or anybody. It can also be trotting so to make kaka and we free ho now we say problem be our won call the doctor ho so you do way and that's what do way in here COVID-19 no they were around but on between abo or ban
na today some tio ye dia na no nkyere se wo wasa yare we bia wo kyere se no ntina kyere se wo bewu
dabi oh wo yade a eno nya problem bibia me ka kire my patient so we wo yade a ye hu se wo hypertension enya problem bi wo hypertension wa dru nti eno an se mra eda ho a ye de ba ma wo no ko fa dru wi fa no presenda ko dabi anom na ebia Bosuni ni rubra na yan checking hwe kidney yan checking hwe liver ana yan checking we hwe sene enti ana diabetes konumwe every week ko check blood sugar na fa betire ana every day checking ana pani enumwe oba ana dia betire wo ye enu a problem bi ani ho enti so wo ye sa no ma we ya na dada no wo doctor say ye na enu fi ho na protocols a ye dia tu wo say wo ye we e beba ho ban fi COVID-19 wo ye ka ho a wo ni problem
afede wa ma me kuma tom ye because I say na me ye mo hyehyeme ma won a aso mo hypertension diabetes ne sa ne ma ne body ahwe I say ye ma stress bi ba won so anopai
David and so stress could be also once odi nyese wodi because we ya de ever so malaria kra na sebi one no maduro malaria no betumi oku so you pen we yakola but we malaria wakono maduro 3 days time we say wa soragina na woko nti ya de no any problem it's part of humanity yeni paya ni pursue ya no ya de do COVID-19 no diabetes is part of our life nti eba kwan ben na say fashion even though COVID-19 sebseb yenya dro potin ye wo kwan ya de be fashion eba you catch you say wo nsa enche obi enko ba bia nipa wo she maska eno so ya dro no wo ye eno na wo nya bia wo na dro nti say yes anoma we nyina we don't have any problem again.
Doc, my main came away from UNICEF for website. But who's other news channels are publishing. But I'll say the United Nations Children's Fund warned Wednesday that about 6,000 young children could die every day from preventable causes during the next 6 months of the coronavirus pandemic. The deaths would largely occur in low and middle income countries with health systems that are already weak and may be overwhelmed by the pandemic response. Yankwada yewo mo Ghana ha.
Yes.
We are pediatrician in the boy. Then you bet me to protect our children. Okwa paragraph 2 now. Or say under a worst case scenario, the global number of children dying before their 5th birthdays could increase for the first time in decades. That's a Kwadana Yawo Muse say na because it's already 5 years no grand 1 year. I mean, what can we do? Tell us.
Yo, I deal we are working now. Working in Yadada. Nkwala omu year under 5. The omu year 5 years no. Sabi yadie infections I can tell kuno pa. Na nyema ne ba ne se we di kan se ahoden a omu de koyade no. Afi na wo akwala oni bi anase wo fam. Afi na wo be build. And I wish low income countries here wabudin ya. Sabi aduane kura yedin. Nkwala bi wo ho a wo de nam kumase akura wo nam kumase akra. Akwala bi wo tun se the whole day. Onyanya aduane papa bi ani. And nkwala no so dodo na aduane no na omode build immunity no. Enti na emane basa. Enti simple. Sa akwala bi so wo man na aduane adi okodina gro. Unsa akwala no ho hye. Na odi mika de na ko hospital. Problem bi ani as much as possible. Wo say sa omo yesa na otimi say so wo tu a nkola tu ni na be ni wo 5 nkola 5 ni na be ni na wo mo a sebi nkola no wu bebre se na ye kan ye akwala no ne ho ye hye no na ne maame akwa tete wu abi no wa yam na odi asa no ne ho ye hye no na ono akwa to aduru enti wo mra hospital ma ye hu se sa de we ye malaria na chese a wiki na na say adosa no bebre we ho bibi at times nsem intumi nya ho hwe say no a nka is no problem and when you understand as a sen kola nyina ye bo mo ho ban wo COVID-19 na aba o mo de ka ho asemi ese ye bo nkola ho ban say akola wo man nko ye bibi ense say o man ko so ye obi a no nie fi kakra ebi o wo JSS SS awbesuma na hwe so wa bon mask okwa won so wukoi hwe na wonu obi yankon din komo because when say obo mask no na ukasa kwa na eyi ndi akola de oyi kwa bia wo hu say so de she enti say ye bon kola no ban ye hwe so mu fi ye hwe so baby o mu wo ye kama ye hwe so wo madidi wo mabia na ye kama say yes anu ma wi na wi sa kola no problem bia wo ho na odi mika afre doctor ana say odi no ko hospital na ya hwe problem no o fa ye wi a seven yani omo wabuchi ni nsa ma mo can we defeat it. That's it.
That's it. Dr. Ameya BBS che beton safrel.
That's it.
Dr. Emmanuel Ameya, a pediatrician wo Kumfanochi Teaching Hospital na te seminano ebo enkomono mamen kwa homana sona menini pafufro emon komo memmoni din enam say yana yet incident so for so you try no abroad for organization no David we nya de bia one virus so me dey ultimate come match na bibia e boko
na mando no hoye pa
good anope wenya bibia di
feel my mission in all bibia di
sa na be di den
no ba no kasa di ma no ne ya muta take lead di obedi ni bedi
yo wife wo fi on
ba choi
mo aya woni je nkwan a hye ho
ya gro mi to fu pa ti nkwan de
ani enya ni say wadama yenya ni say ma ye wo fufuo ma na wo de hyeda mo mfa sika mo mra hai and me no mienu so ahula no Naka. Eja yemi enu fufu ye try and find ye hu ye. Yemi ye pa. Wife who so want to say.
No, I don't know who you pa.
Good. But boy, when you COVID-19 maybe.
But why?
What we then and a year war fear na be trace you na be file sample one call hospital. What happened? Bobby come on.
Me call we na member enti member na me do me feel na me so mu ye random testing wo area ho. Ti me kura me twam ko fie na me neighbor ba ko be ka tem so o mo ba area ha o mu test nti wa o pe bia wetin akoye bi. And the immigration officer back Obama in Chester, the Benjamin corridor, no so a young be idea just doing random testing team meeting a baby by yen shit in team person. I mean, now my brother crime also the Mr. Lavapenum here, no checking the temperature. And me tested that was on the 17th April. The Manchester can be 27th, and you maybe almost friends say. Results to by positive in 2018 means he see me on Flamenco Isolation Center, Member Hospital on Flamenco Isolation Center, and I miss me on McCoy.
Time now, one be far or sample no a chair answer ever results.
10 days.
10 days.
But why?
10 days now, we don't want now, yam show and now we am show.
Me demand you know that cry because me no be me chef kwa the time me PA lockdown the second phase in na government the ni ba na so on temu hono o mo frey and say yes we may give in my members ti koji ye die no na ye local assembly no so to be kan ho and ye chairman members na obi ambra meji so that was the only period that me PA call ya na me bua ma ya chadwan na ma members nti ma anko so ma agenda kokra that say I will be positive because me no be me pie me feel all the time and stuff.
Adam me no na kwa sorry ana.
Me Pentecost and so ko Pentecost ya na say ko me ba so.
Anya me nuane o. And praise God.
Hallelujah.
And you trying to say some na lab results them by na what to be or read himself be queen now higher we are queen now tea wabo wa wo wincy wo ye bibi did it show any symptom?
No. Before me call home, me buy said the there is no symptom here. Ma catch me no. To be frank, I was like, how? And I mean pain cry like my journey initially say it was true, but actually I'm going with the some say about 80% of Ghanaians are they don't show any signs. And I'm saying, well. If that's what they say, yeah, I'm not a medical expert in to me challenging what they say. Or I can say we're positive there. And then I'm sorry, but a whole no catch a minimum like a mommy junior home kakra, but since I'm taking tests, I didn't even think about it when they cry. Because she's a catching to me a positive answer. And so I'm junior home kakra about it.
Isolation center ben now call you.
PCC.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Now what to say? Okay, now what to say?
Oh, we are fantastic. My hoping, but number but we share innovation on my whole so the environment in the neatness of the place, the neatness of the rooms. Place is the venue the it's an excellent place. It's an excellent place.
Na mo hwemu ho nso te same we didie mu na ni na te same
the commission media na and wasn't as expected. It's like expectation no reality no na there were difference because here the economy say and fashion that was what we got to for bibi kitu be pay and fashion na wo ko nti bia wo ba I say you could do all time and lunch breakfast but that's for the first the first 2 days, no, first 2-3 days, no, dear. Na and your man, as expected, the engagee, and medical team require meeting the but for union Santi, and my monthly gap, the second day, we call Tuesday, 28th, 29th, 30th, say 29th minimum, breakfast bar around the 8:30 to 9, and lunch bar almost 2:30 to 3. Na Satan call the cool pan by almost 8 and maybe 8 o'clock to 8:30. Ekobaya eba then cutting quite into among food giant. The next one require ye devotion. Among for the Diomo when I banina by devotion or ever train. No son of me devotion leader when I'm preaching on tea. Only the train elder shade, the only one with my and the dinner die. Etema ya so yeshima yeni leadership me guys na na yeda omano no na se me na me spiritual side ba na ye leader ankasa ni nkofo mo kan ye ho for patience leader ya be leader enti ye friend Mr. Ben omu na ye no ko ngiji and for your free meeting countless meetings I know me express our displeasure and there was a journalist among us to know so a report to the call the bad daily heritage in other media stations. And also train your media say things were not right there. And my medical team so and TBCI and my whole corner and I feel near money kakra. Second week recording any money pa. And the not a high in the car. Don't say a bit about them, you know, and such a album.
Now one show symptom be said all the free coin no san and now the horse was sounded by wow fee.
Because you say over 200 people and a good block in the media. Man, he will be able to show symptoms via anti ye cry to the little baby and Sabina or me and free block or the call is or more now more. Ebia mo asthmatic o mo clinic my nti o mo bisa health conditions be na wo ebia asthmatic o ye o hypertension no mo ankasa doctors na ka cho say bibi to ya o mu ni niam mo bitimi ja show nti o mo pa wo cho o mo pese o mo you free hado ko gaist e ho the hospital nti say bibi kwa ba o bitimi aso anuntem nti o mo pa cho na fi o ti ase mo mo na on the ambulance na for free isolation center hold the call but say obi bowa obi yare na hibisa dawo ko si say dom over 200 people if you buy
pacho anya bia no me mpesa obebodin but yamamo edro
my edro no yomodema ye no makache please enye virus treatment just to boost our immune system. And then he said, "Don't know normal. I don't need be with you. But I could not need different immune to be there. And I'm edema and no just for will be able to first 3 days. Nobody you take it 1 a day. Never take it 3 days maybe. Then based on your health conditions, our doctors know they will prescribe another medicine for you to go over a common medicine you need your will be 1 or 2 common medicine will be a taken. Then the third one and a 4 for FIFA and be depending on the how. In the clinic now, we could share doctor no be service questions degree. Then based on the who that do this that on which me a no abrow and also make a salmon and also cancel every for. As we say, we money be with you, will be how we be with me cocoa cabia running with you, we experiencing malaria, who feel it or malaria, they do those tests for us just to keep us going to clinic will be our mayor and they give medicine based on condition.
Okay. Now more holding now what boom.
Doma no devotion day. Me can be devotion for common and minimum in power. Because it tested first negative were close to 200. Yeah, tested negative second one I year by and was over 200. And then everything was another man. The week I cry into a shoot a crab, we say, Nipano engine to me, so not better. And some most of the people were, excuse me, to Arabia, forced to come. They didn't talk them to understand it. They say, me say, not because the seculars are bad. I'm a local and I'm a tired with you, your local assembly. And I'm ready about it. And he about some more isolating now. even though they didn't talk much. But now I understood the reason for the isolation. Say ebe bua me ankasa kwa me wori wo mami nu. Nti ebe bua me ne me yere ne me ma. Say me ko. Yes, and I'm sure say the BIBC because I was very healthy na me ko. But no being so how mobile and because the first day meeting say that was me could do Wednesday no devotion we and on the meeting after the devotion. And if you look at among for anger no more de kasa. Na man so refugee better na and I mean and I was in my virus. One time the test was also crying to me and I was positive. And that kind of anger. You see, and I know crime so we didn't look at such a more much of the more cano. Yeah, advantage because we don't even know the virus in the subanti. It could be no. To say the corner, I want to make the casa first. I'll move him here. I feel from the second day go, we preach here on the moment. And people that did up to date, yeah, few work and that's fair. I'm also feeling like they were just got there for probably political reasons and not ideal reasons, but they don't even believe say they were sick mainly because of a virus. Maybe we should sign beer with or should sign beer and maybe still engine to be say they were healed, they were even sick in the first place, and I'm saying quite get healed.
Mamene elder Iren Kasa.
But you will near around the pick a crazy.
Oh, Mikasa Dickens show.
Oh, yeah, the crazy, remember.
Mamma here to say, I am uncle for ye, you were born here, Abia young call any of these isolation centers will be on. Yeah, Womunya Bino. Your money, who size or isolation center, while we see so, a draw we see so, your my way, yes, I not here.
Isolation center, how you correct you, all correct is instead of a computer, the only thing is everything picked by Nemo. Because your call, you say, to be frank with you, some people cry, why don't you be your call, no catching it, brother? Hey, you're not going to be ma. Now you do. I mean, I come up with a marriage, the rough. Because when you cry, yeah. But you have done yet. We see them come in room, big room, TV, your whole fridge, your whole, the toilet and bath, shame, 2 beds, you have a dahane, Sana Makoda bed, also, now better. Beyond how he saw the place, I come up with 3 months, he gave only to me 3 months. Or buy your Dava, your catch one for a little bit of 3 months. Kianik on Koye. Now, so we see as I could see the thing to the 3 months. Facility is very nice. And a bloom of reality between me say not because of any preaching, I'm also doing bonfire mammy, you see. And sometimes we want to share a life or need to pay 6 na that damn bakum, or need to pay 4 na that damn bakum, or buy you, or else when you would you cry with him. Here's the case if you didn't know pay anyway. And he only said the wood dinner, it is far even better than Cinco Tiffy. They share those kind of experience, but almost say. The isolation center number, they didn't anticipate say it to be that. And they've been also or muti, and so they didn't also like the place because we think could be the DH and said the or we think of better name Papa Pebiso, said your quality there were that mix feelings. You shall say or more muti, Ekasa Chiromo anger. You are no more muti, and you are really there's nothing. I think you more. Idiot, young Koye. Sister Bakugo said, the first time I made that by BTC, we never tell that. We get in hotel. And it be an I'm for socio-economic status, had effect on how they perceive the place and how they welcome, how they see the treatment. Whilst many people were happy with the treatment they received, others too were not happy because I'm not compared with what they have in the house. There were differences. In the isolation center for the me to me say I didn't see any I relaxed me there was my work is more online. I didn't feel even though for abusing no method na yakaka free na nkran wo daddy you wish you were at home. And then I thought that I had him, but as to say be holding me I was okay.
Tinacha san California ekran kom ka ho.
Oh, vent ba ku bi 3 months. 3 months the year back when you know ja. Otika mu ye yet the final day packing every 17 of one other to be Franco. Kwame Kupa because of many January ball. So my option pan come at her.
Na think what I do so Mumpa.
Yeah, youth and teens no more. Mamika from teen for no and early from more 20s in the Namadoso. And the teenagers many 20s in the Namadoso pa. And I own quite a few class or below 12 years, like 8, 9, 10 years, few ones to be no more. But teens in a dozen teen from 13, 19, early 20s one. No more. And you ask yourself why. When you form can no more society. And when you form make up from 45 or 40, 50 going for no. Come on more society. But young girls no. I did about one young worry parent, Dr. Bako, Dr. Dominic Moiti, and Dr. Figa Dima, one of those doctors I'm no more related. And now I kept asking them why the teens no more so quite how much teens in the Banodos. Probably their lifestyle. Because they take things for granted. And the news makes you look and say, "Yet, take care of my yebina, we shall care my teens, no, but you phone is a news max." But young boys no movie and you say, "Oh, mujechi," because those people see shame it here. Oh, more casa with anger. One so strong. Until you feel it when you're not 90. Teens need the early 20s for an idea or 20-year categories in the normal dose.
Mamenda wase na bibi ababiuma yebesa kasa so pani
but you never da se pa nyame shira waso
amen on shira on so
amen
yes abrante ba ko de friend 3 months on the so nya ya
nkoda hosa
nkoka ho
na yeso wo kan say it depend obi a social status ye wo bo ide na ko prison na ye na free prison na wakototo brekum mia mikrom kato simai wakototo boko brekum police station se sanfa no konekom de no ye chini tumu prison o ye sanfa no kono ba no
minimobia no pese sa de ko nim de oye ewiakete kwasi ada amanfo ye asore ne no kwasi asorefo na iron ross
ne ya che no
ne ye sa de ne ko
enti na enye fa
esa ye kom ehoye ne de
ope baby obenya nipa kra ne na bonko mokeke enyi nipa nyina ne nya bi enti emeka se kwan bi su no normal kakra
salamatu adamu ewa homa no so salamatu salam
alaikum salam
na etesai
nipa tsonya nya dumo
obana na what sense say
atose anapedi nyankufa aduma ye kakra mama ne ndura no no nti oda ho
okay ebusafa mama ya mene ne ka say ne ba ono akwada ne papa watweseka watwa akwada na so say show akwada no wanya mfie sen
nipa tso won fie du
oba na se bema
bema
okọ school
nipa tso
mo den na ne papa atwa na so yin
nipa tso akwala no na owo mi nchen na ne papa say me fa ne mre no na ma fa na mre no a mo se bibi akwala na on fa me ho ncheni nti ofra mi auntie ewo obom na mi auntie to say me wa guna so edro na ofra mi na ka kire mi nti sa ada na mi de akwala na ye den mi de ne bro no mi de ne ba ne ba 3 months so 4 months ani nti Friday ni mo fie na me auntie frɛ mi say baba o anyi fa na mi so mo fie no se zaka ba ho ana na mi si dabi zaka ma hoye no se ne papa frɛ mi say zaka fa ni sika 2.5 de dwane ohu ni nti se ba ho a mi ngi sika ni nto ho na mi si o mate mi hwɛ no ni ma mi ko se de lorry station won nyina ko twɛn sɛ bia na obɛba wa mba kaka na ma frɛ mi auntie bi sɛ akola na ba mu so mmae kaka na ma frɛ so mmae nti atiri na mi auntie frɛ mi say akwala na abo na dede a ewa ha no to kwa gidigidi ya si small boy bi na fa ni moto omo ko chima ya na omo bae nti omo bae no na ni papa chi ni say akowie ni sika nti obo ni sa obo born ohwe ni ya na tete ni bi aye den ekoso nu mu so on jai nti oja na akwala ni jani e ba mi auntie sen oja ni ba mi auntie chen no ana ese papa ni samba ye ana sa ma chi akwala no de mu ko fie odinu ko fe no odinu nsa tu table say obetwa ni nsa 5 ni nyina efi ho ena anu so yesi de bu wo so ho na be ye den oba no be piano na otwe akola nti akola no twe ni sa ne sika no twa ni so kuma no baako ba twa ni so kuma no baako ba e kakakra bi se be fi so ba en fi so ye nti omo fa akola no di ni dwane ye e na omo ne ba me anti ho omo ne ba me anti ho no titiri na ode ne ba ye no papa na ya tra titiri ni se so afa akola na mbre na ade oba titiri no ebe no wawa titiri ni so hu di oba ye e na ode akola ne ye den ode no kuma papa no nti ode no kuma no ele so oji akola no de no ko shade mu no lock dan no ele odi chain titiri akola ni nsa ko ni chi ele so akola ni hata ni ni nti akola ni hata ni ni no ele yi blade no mo bi twa akola na so ele o si akola ni so ni no to kekem wode mu a odi sika ba wo ne mene nti mo nkekem akola ni edi nti akola ni fi wontu me nsu ele ejuru akola ni TV fa ele odi tali ko asuna we twa no so o twa akola na so half na e ka no ejuru akola ni TV no odi tali kuro no so ena o isi o ma akola ni ko jare no ka ni se edem se onda mo mpie nti sa da no ma akola na eduane na ade chinye nti sa da na asam ni fie no ba e te no ko ka mi so mi fi so edro na mi eden mi de du ha se mbedu na ade asa se no oti ni so mi suro se me kwa mo ko fie se me kwa akohwe me ba no nti ahoma chi no na akola ni ti se amaba na oduane ye no ba ni nchen nti oba ni nchen na mi eden ni ko report ma asam no ma asam ma si yafa no ko hospital na omo ma ye hospital report ni from police station ti e do ko we am from hospital bu ho na ye de no call ye na ye de no call police station wa am from ho no no o ma ye police report na ye de no call hospital na o mo hwe ni asifo na o mo hwe ko ni nyina obi e kikem aso no wini kwa na o hu wini wo ho se ya so but o mo yi wini nyina efi wo no aso na aka half kura ye ni bibia mpo entimi yeye aka half kura aye ni bibia entimi yeye nti o mo hwe no na o mo ne me ba ye na ye be fa papa no na ye de no call ede no ko mo bi sa na aso no so no hu ase wato aso na akine aso no twa no wato akine nti aso hu aso bia na ede no ko ye ede no ko second one esa akola no so ni bi aso no wo aso ni da konkomo de krensi egu hu na esa ni akola ni papa ni nyina san ba biom ye be hwe no konkomo nkwa na esi wa krensi wo ma blade ni da hu ba aso ni ndem oso wato aso na akine miti ni ndi miti aso no wato akine nti pacho muti ya ndi esi na maka trom no
so for mu ko Facebook pictures na the videos na ina obehu but salamatu anopa no ka say papa nso de aso no beto na akoda ni nyina ode akire no
sa no ka me anti mu ko ho na mara omuti so mo twa na aso na o mo ko ho no ena okoyi aso ni tire me anti say eni aso ni eni nie o ba hata say akola ni nyina o be yi da akire no say sika no wi aye no na nti no twa na aso ni ta aso ni nie nti echi na yesa ba na o say aso na ayira no na me de ni nje bi say aso no ayira nje ni say aso na ayira say ni pa me ni mi nse ni na hu aso no
okay na sika na dodo wa say
asi akola ni fa 2.5 ena akola ni say odi a small boy bi na di small boy ni ni afiti ene ba no onu na fa ni moto small boy ni di 60 Ghana woni nsim na ni papa twa ni so wie no twa na so wie no ena na akola ni ye den okoko fa sika ni di blend fa di aka no ena odi blend ni papa according to akola ni ebisa no so di sika ni ma ni papa say ebisa no say akola di sika kan ni ma no nti akola ni wa first kana nkoto hwe
what da ne papa no worry
me pacho mi ni ejai
sika no kofa woni papa dem na so kofa no hin sakola no ne tie
ese owo mi chance ni papa ni be fa nti asemi si de ni papa nche na owo nti ni papa ni de mu ho na ofa sika no o si ti papa de sika no to TV so no so fa ye
se papa na worry ana
wa ya kwa na oni mba minu na ewo fie ho
na won so worry
ipacho mi de mi worry
no okay it is say akwada no hospital na so ofie
ipacho ndo na de no hospital to mayi no nti se am de na aba fie na me hwe no fie
ana papa no wa hin say
papa ni say police phone and police van de no ko ndra
moko hospital no wan etua bill no
hospital na ya de no ko no we My sister baako no tia My sister baako come home no call no tia me dey miss Kenti no my sister baako no oye bibia
Oba no betimi akasa
me patrai
mama ne akola ne nkasa
Zach bra me patrai me dey man
if I phone no man
hello
it's say
patrai
wasono anope ye wo ye akase anase ye kakra ye kakra then see then our papa twa waso katre then see
me can sika no try
o fa ni sika adenti na o fa ni sika no
je le don touch man me come no si baby
there's a obusan so on to atade ma wa on to
no akopon post akopon we material so help am shana atete hi
so we share net na o ka chen so on to from wa on to anything ma o fa sika no o fa say
2.5
na 2.5 na da hen e hye ne bottom e da table so ana na e wo hen
no that table so
who say
TV
okay what who say
TV
what you say
no that table so TV so
okay into who so dey ato ho na afa what the koye dey
no kala bi kan le yetuti na miem o chama sina mdiza kamba man
into who the ofa no the ye dey who the
mava nyeshi mantafu
dey
mantafu
one tohwe one tohwe the identity na ofa it is say na the man no e ka say na the man papa
eka we 1.9
eka 1.9 and the scan so yes saying
2.5
and 60 Ghana no the year day
with my run
kada no ye then now 60 Ghana man no
of family
e do ko hin
I don't call myself any I don't know
ada one na person otena moto na chi
minimum no also them
and two question oh okay wo papa hu ye no oye den ansase kan ni betwa wo
no nimbla ni kwaya no homo no see plan zandu welu we am dividan del so am dividan no bino nda santi kilonka ngom mikikela ba no mu ba on ba na oso beka na mjeje na msatu kana sika kana wajegu na ba no ndu ko vina okoyo mam ndi ba no ko mam no na zamba o na ba chini na dimsa ko sejum nitasi jemi nzenzi na sama sabi bawo na mjani ye ni jani na se mi fami bimu ko nti viziano mwana nuwa
okay na adenta witiri wa papa yi
ona kata no
or the den ye
oyi bi o Thomas no di bledi yini tiri na di all tuzo
aya wo tafa wo papa sika on
baby
aya komode wa na wa fa ketekete ana na aya komode na wa fa ketekete na wo ka kire se da wo sika na mafa
nani bofu
wo kana ne boafu enti wa wo hwa wa fa be dodo say
3
wa fa 3 okay Me pesa me ka say mitro why? Okay. The edi kind say o papa sika da ho no nka nkyerɛ sɛ fa memfa. Why?
Yeah.
Aha, one yes na sɛ ɛka hɔ a ɛbɛ ha adwen kakra. Enti no de bia no sɛ wo hu sɛ obi ade da hɔ. Na sɛ ade no wo pa ka kyerɛ ni wura ne sɛ patro wade mepe bi. Sɛ nipa ne pene ana ɔte ase a na ɔde ma wa na wagye wanfa ma wa memfa. Why? Okay. Sɛ ɛkɔm de wo na wo pɛ aduane a ka kyerɛ da sɛ ɛkɔm de me na ɔma wo sika ne bi mfa nkɔtɔ aduane wo a manwia. Why?
Yeah.
Okay. Enti wo nya biom, right?
Yeah.
Wo nya biom, wo mfa biom.
Yeah.
Wo say? Da bi me bu sasa wo mfa sika ne biom sɛ wo ɛda wo mfa. Na wo say why no mbe yi no? Wo papa? Ada wo mpɛ sɛ ebe yi no.
Sanga mbe yi na ka me ya di bia na mayin.
Anka be den. Den na be yanse yi no. Wo so be ye bibi na ye yi no. Den na be ye.
Yes.
Oh. Aden ka be bom pa ya manana. Campaign na be bom amano. Wa fe wo papa? Wa fe wo papa, okay. Tu pese ye yi no. Na obe kwa kwasra no police station ho.
Nde be ko am ko siesie. Ndi akoni ya no ma court.
Ah, o pese ye de ne court. O de ye o ya kola anti en fancy ya. Ti Sharon so obi ade wo ho aye amemfa. Why?
Yo.
Ay, that's it. Yeah.
Nana. Ntani bo ha ai kato hine onye ne baby kona natural say senye di oha. Abatete na form o.
Enye easy o.
Na form. Teach you say kwala ne dɔɔso a. Sɛbe abehu na kwala bia. On so office kanu nim de ɔde ko excursion. Watete nkro bi din, watete area bi din onko hɔ da onim hɔ. Enti office wɔ kɔ hɔ. Say unimo ba na ya na ya ahomete se ma make sure growing up na me pe machines ni TV ni sane ma no enti wo beka sa me ye kwadwofo because me se de obi di ahopepre beka so mo kwa afuom no me eduru se ye kwa afuom ma yare
onko
oh debi na yanyi by the fire side nyame me na di nsi kantam se na afuom ma me nko bi da because e bo 3 me so me area ho afuomfo nyina ba bebi sade asi wo ho for you better by the fire side do meet for my me there you see obi akwala bi wo no ma na wo hye da nimu no unima de a wo pe ti e be sra wo fo no ese to de bi ahomete wan hwe yi a wo be kwa kodi aban nsem
na akoi
abatete wo so
ye so ne nja de akare ma
ye sorry o be kai a ba ku ya obo ne bayi no so wansem bae no eno so no wo ba ne nchen no koje no ena wensu no wo ba ne nchen no so koje no
obi apen ba
nene opa oba the outside ne side
the social system na kwala no wo ho this a week and a month bi ade no odisika ko wo nchen so adidi obedi bi to de bi economics nko abrabo na ko economics
bibia we fine ko you
bibia fine Kobi Stone aba Kobi
Capito
say bibia fine
pa
Dwaso
na captain message is free time eba ano nya fe kra o
adai
say insu sem hadwen wa tema ne empatem pa few days ni
ka hwasem mo
enya sem da from Capito tema o
to ye university
nti
sports in the obetimi ejai na kan so na sem matema for a very important